Good morning, children. This is Jagannath Raju, your English faculty. Today we discuss God sees the truth but waits. Actually, this lesson was written by Leo Tolstoy. Leo Tolstoy is a famous Russian short story writer. Actually, this short story was first published in 1972. Actually, he was also is famous writer. His famous novel is War and Peace. War and Peace. This is the famous novel. Was written by uh, Leo Tolstoy. Actually, after reading this story, Gandhiji was influenced by Leo Tolstoy. And right, actually, the story about a man sent to prison for a murder he did not commit takes from a parable of forgiveness. Actually, this story began based on the parable of forgiveness. Parable of forgiveness. Right? Actually, the story is written in the Russian and later it is translated into English under the title The Confessed Crime or Exiled to Siberia or The Long Exile. There are another three names in the English. The Confessed Crime. The Confessed Crime. The Confessed Crime. Exile to Siberia. Exile to Siberia. And third one is The Long Exile. The Long Exile. Actually, this God see the truth but waits translated into English under the titles The Confessed Crime, Exile to Siberia, The Long Exile. So what is the summary? What is the lesson? Actually, the main character Ivan Dimitrich Aksinov is our hero in the lesson. He is the main hero of the lesson. Actually, Ivan Dimitrich Aksinov is a merchant. Is a merchant lived in Vladimir. Is a famous a small town and famous city in Russia. Actually, Aksinov in the beginning, our hero Aksinov or Ivan Dimitrich beginning is prone to drinking alcohol. Alcohol late, but he is not violent and he is a responsible person and well liked by the people that know him. Actually, he is a well-known person in the Vladimir city because he is singing songs, he playing jokes, and actually his only one bad habit is taking alcohol. That is the only bad habit, but he did not make any nuisance in the public and he did not violent in the public. He did not argue with others. He is a responsible person in the Vladimir city. It is a small town and he is liked by all the people in the Vladimir city because he singing songs, he playing guitar and he playing jokes also. That's why everyone liked him. So as a merchant, one day decides to go to a fair. Go to a fair. It is very important. Go to a fair as a business venture. But his wife pleads for him not to go because of a nightmare. But his wife that day, his wife opposed him. His wife did not allow him to go to a fair because she has a nightmare. She has a nightmare. Nightmare means a bad dream. A bad dream. She had the previous night in which she had a grayed hair. So, in the bad dream, in which she had a bad dream, in which Aksinov, our hero, actually our hero is a young man, but in that dream, Aksinov had a gray hair. Gray hair means old people. Gray hair means old people. She thought that the gray hair is a bad signal. She thought that the gray hair is a bad or a bad signal, bad sign. That's why she opposed him not to go to the business venture. She projected, she objected not to go to the business fair. But but our hero Iman Drimrich Aksionov persuade her wife to go to the fair. At last, his wife accepted his husband proposal, but she uh, thought continuously about the nightmare or a bad dream about the gray hair. So, on the way, on the way, she meets another merchant. Another merchant. Another merchant. The person name is not given in the lesson. The person name is not given in the lesson. The another merchant is very important. This person is a key role in the lesson, but the person is the person name is not given. Actually, Aksionov meets another merchant on his way. Actually, Aksionov knows the person, so that's why, and the two decided to travel together. Both are decided to travel because Aksionov and this merchant also went to the same fair for the business purpose. Same fair for the business purpose. So both are decided to travel together. So they check into an inn and have a good time drinking. So both are on the way. On the way, they boarded an inn. Inn means restaurant and lodge. A small restaurant and lodge is called an inn. They check into an inn and have a good time drinking. So both are taking alcohol because they have a habit. So both are taking alcohol. Then so they retire. Then they retire separately. So both Aksionov went into the adjoining room. Went into the adjoining room in an inn. In an inn. So Aksionov wakes early in the next morning and to get to the fair and leaves without the merchant. So the next morning, actually, Aksionov has a good habit. That what is the good habit? He wakes up early every day. He wakes up early morning. Early morning. It's a good habit. So Aksionov wakes up early morning and he started his journey and he left the another merchant. He left the another merchant in the room. He left the another merchant in the room. So Aksionov wakes early in the morning to get to the fair and leaves without the other merchant. Not far down the road, Aksionov stops and is approached by a few policemen. So he left the other merchant. He started the journey, and on the journey or during the journey, suddenly he was stopped by the few police. Stopped and is approached by a few policemen. Few policemen. So they explained that a merchant was just murdered. This is the main part. So actually, Aksionov asked, why should be stopped by them? So then the policeman explained that the another merchant was just murdered and robbed So the police suspected Aksionov, our hero, because the previous night both are both were having alcohol and they slept in adjoining rooms. That's why the police suspected him. That's why the police stopped him, and the police searched Aksionov's bag, our hero's bag. So they find a bloody knife in Aksionov's bag. Then, despite Aksionov's claims and that he is not the murderer, he is sentenced and sent to Siberia. So Axino pleaded that he did not do any crime. Axino argued to the police that he did not make any crime, and he did not kill the merchant. He did not murder the merchant. But so the police did not listen to Axino, and he was arrested, and he was sent to him jail. He was sent to him jail. So his wife came to jail. His wife came to jail and asked Axino, please tell the truth. Please tell the truth. As soon as he heard the words, Axino felt sad, and he went into the jail. Axino requested the king of the Russia, but the king disposed, or the king rejected the petition of the Axino. And at last, no one knows the truth. Only God knows the truth. Only God sees the truth. Only God sees the truth. So he believed, or he faithed in the God, and he accepted the judgment. So what was the judgment? He was sent to Siberia. He was sent to Siberia. It is the very coldest part in the world. It is situated in the Russia. So then, after the trial flogging, his wife can finally visit him, and she sees that Axionos began to as began to began to gray from the stress. So right. So because of the stress, his hair slowly gray. Gray means white color. So her wife's dream was to be true. Was to be true. So Axno spent 26 years. How many years? 26 years in Siberia. So he accepted the fate. He accepted the fate, and he accepted his flight. Flight means sad situation. What happened to him? And he decided he dedicated his life to the God. He dedicated his life dedicates to his life to God. So that's why. So he became a mediator of sorts in the prison, and he is well respected by the other prisoners as well as by the guards. So he became a devotee in the jail, and he read the Bible every day. He read the devotees. He followed the prayers every morning, and he tells some truths about the life to the other prisoners and guards. So that's why Axino, our hero, Axino was liked by not only following prisoners, but also jail opponents, jail wardens, jail guards also. Everyone liked him in the jail. So one day some new prisoners came from the Russia to Siberia. One of them is Makar. This is the very important person in our lesson. Makar Simonovich is another important character. Actually, in this lesson, we have only 4 characters. One is Axino, second one is his wife, and third one is another merchant, and fourth one is Makar Simonovich. Makar Simonovich is a very important person. Actually, he was a notorious criminal. Actually, he was a criminal. He did many crimes, but he was not caught by the police. He was not caught by the police. Actually, the police arrested another persons in the place of Makar, because every time he was escaped. Every time was he escaped from the police. The police arrested innocent persons in the place of Makar Simonovich. Makar Simonovich. Actually, Makar Simonovich this time was arrested because he took a horse without permission of the owner to go to his home. Because he knows the owner of the horse. That's why he did not take permission. But the owner complained against him. That's why he was arrested and sent to the Siberian jail. So one day, right, Makar Simonovich is the man who committed the murder for which he was blamed. Actually, Makar killed the merchant. the merchant, who is the friend of 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 Axino, who is the friend of Axino. Actually, Axino did not kill the merchant. Maker killed the merchant. Maker killed the merchant. But the police arrested Axino in the place of Maker Simonovich. Right. One day the guards noticed that someone has been strewing dirt around the grounds and they search prison and find a funeral. Actually, in the jail, in the Siberian jail, some criminals dig under the jail and they find a tunnel. They find the tunnel. So to escape from the jail, so the guards discovered the tunnel. The guards discovered the tunnel, a secret way on the underground, a secret passage from the underground of the jail. So Axino had found out earlier that it was Marcus Simonov who was digging the hole, but after being questioned by the police, Axino declared that it is not his place to speak about the matter. So actually, Axino knows that who dig the tunnel under the jail, but Axino did not say anything about the Maker. Actually, this tunnel was dug by the Maker. This tunnel was dug by the Maker, but he did not say anything about the Maker. So actually, because he knows that if anyone has done wrong in the jail, the person was beaten very severely in the jail. So that's why Axino forgive the Maker. Axino did not take any revenge against Maker. So whenever Axino did not tell anything about the tunnel, about the secret passage under the jail, so Maker realized his mistake. Maker realized his mistake. So Maker approached Axino that night in a terrible state. So Maker approaches Axino that night. It was he who killed the merchant, and he also planned the murder Axino, but spared him after hearing noises. Actually, Maker killed the merchant, and then later he wanted to kill Axino, but at that time Maker heard some noise. That's why he left the bloody knife in Axino's bag, and Maker escaped from the hotel. So everything Maker revealed to Axino, everything, and Maker accepted the confessed his crime also. Maker confessed